Hey guys, welcome back. So till now you have seen we have run all the scripts on the Chrome browser, but now we will run our script on the Firefox browser. Okay? So till Selenium 2, we don't have to specify the driver of the Firefox to run any scripts on the Firefox browser. So let me give an example. So till Selenium 2, the code which we need to write would be web driver equal to new Firefox driver. Okay, so this way we were instantiating our driver. Let me just import it, import the WebDriver interface and also import the, okay, so I think there is some spelling mistake, so just make me change. Okay, it's imported the Firefox driver. All right, and in order to open any website, we were writing driver.get. Okay, and to close the browser, we give driver.close. All right. And maybe we can write here something like system.out.println. I can write browser opened. All right, and here I can give something like system.out.println browser closed. And let's say I have a website here. Let me give that website into this double quotes. Okay, so we will just go through this program again. What we are doing right now, we have created an object driver. Okay, its interface is WebDriver and its class is new Firefox driver. All right, and now we are trying to open a page through driver.get, which we all know. After that, we are printing a command, system.out.println, and we are printing this line browser open. And then once it is get closed, we are printing browser closed. Simple. So this is a script which we were writing till Selenium 2. And now if I run it, run as Java application, it gives us some error. And if we see that it says illegal state exception, the path to the driver executable must be set by webdriver.gecko.driver system properties. So it means that in Selenium 3, we cannot run the scripts on the Firefox till the time we have not set its path, just like a Chrome browser. Okay, because if I do a right click on my project and if I go to properties and then libraries, you can see the Selenium which I am using is Selenium Server Standalone 3.14. So I am using Selenium 3. In case you are using Selenium 2, it will not give you this error. This error only occurs in Selenium 3. Okay, so if you want to use the latest version of Selenium, that is Selenium 3, we have to make sure that we provide a path for the Firefox driver like the way we were doing it for the Chrome. So let me show you how we were doing it from the Chrome. So let me open this one. Okay, if you see here, we are giving this line system.setProperties and we are giving the path of the Chrome driver. Okay, so what we need to do now, if you're working on Selenium 3, first you need to download the driver for Firefox. So you can just go to Google and you can type download Gecko Driver. So this is the driver which is for the Firefox. You can go to this website Selenium HQ. Okay, so this is the original website for Selenium. The people who has created and who are working on the Selenium, it's Selenium HQ. You can just go through this in your meantime. It has very useful information given. Okay, and in that, if you go down, it gives all the drivers for all the browser. But we want to download this Mozilla Gecko driver. So you can just go to latest, and then from latest, you can just scroll down and from here you can download the Gecko driver. If you click on this zip file, it get downloaded. Okay, so I have already done that. I can just cancel this one. I have already done that. You can see here. And once it get there, you can save it somewhere on your computer. So I have saved it into C softwares. All right. So if you see, here is a Gecko driver. Okay, so what you can do, you can just click on that, do a shift and do a right click. It will give you a message copy as path. So just click on that copy as path. And even if you are not getting that copy as path, just do a right click and from here first you can just copy the path first and you can put it somewhere into Notepad. Okay, and then you can do a right click on this, rename, Control C, then .exe. Okay, so you can do that, but you can also do a shift, right click and click on copy as path. All right. Now what we need to do, we have to set our property. Okay. So the same way we have set here system.setProperty, we have to say the same way we have to set for the Firefox also. If you see here, it gives us webdriver.gecko.driver, everything in a small letter. So we have to type the same thing here in the Firefox also. Okay, so I have to give system dot wait a system dot set property. All right, and here I need to give webdriver dot gecko dot driver, and in the value I need to give the path which I have copied. All right, so I have I have done the control V and I can see the path has been copied here. All right, so let me just give one more quote here so that it does not show me an error. Okay, so I just put a double slash instead of single slash. All right, and let me put a semicolon. Okay, so now what we have done, we have set the Gecko driver, and now we will try to run the same line of code. Okay, so it will open the browser. So it has opened the Firefox browser, it has opened the website, and it will close it. Okay, so if you see the console, so the whatever we have printed is open here, it's printed here. It's one is browser open, another is browser closed. Okay, and these are all the messages which you get, so you don't have to worry about it right now because it is coming from the implementation of the Gecko driver. But this is what we have got with our program. Now we are able to run our program with the Gecko driver. And why we want to do that, because in the next videos I will also tell you how to run your scripts on the multiple browser at the same time. Okay, so that's the reason it was necessary to let you know that this is the way we can do with the Gecko driver. We can run on the Firefox. The same way we can also run on the different browsers. So let me show you that website again. In Selenium HQ, will see that there is a Mozilla Gecko driver, there is a Google Chrome driver, okay, there is a Opera also, then Microsoft Edge driver, because in Windows 10 you get the Microsoft Edge, okay, there is a HTML unit driver, there is a Safari driver for the Mac machines. I have a Safari driver also. So these are all the drivers which has been provided in the Selenium HQ website. So any browser you want to run, just download that and just put that into your system properties and you would be able to run it. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please click on uh, subscribe button and hit the like button. Thank you.